Speaking of the aliens, giant fireballs spotted over the night sky in Japan. This was so bright it lit up the whole city. This thing, they say it was as bright as a full moon. They haven't seen them this bright very often. It also made a loud noise. It's believed to be something called a bolide, a type of shooting star compared to a full moon for its brightness.
Oh.
And I was looking at the images. I was like, yeah, I mean, okay.
You're not impressed?
But then I looked at the video and I was like, well, first of all, I looked at the video and the music. The music really got me going on the video. I don't know if you can play. Maybe you can play like a second of the music just so people know what I'm talking about.
Okay,
Just play like maybe like 4 seconds of the music. If you can. I don't know. Are you set up for that right now?
I mean, I guess so.
Oh, you're scared. You don't
Is
want to
it?
do it. Can they hear the music right now and I can't?
I don't see a audio.
I'm just going to play it on my... Oh, there you go.
Came out of nowhere.
It's like a mixture. It's like a pumped up version of X-Files mixed with Japan news. Anyway, It's lovely. But you can leave the music off and just play back the clip. Now you can see this thing exploding in the night sky and it looks like look at how it lights up this whole little town over here. Bang!
Oh.
I mean, if me and you were just chilling and we saw that, we would think it was some sort of a bomb or something like this.
Yeah.
Well, look at this particular spot. Look at that. Wham! Lights up the whole deal.
Wow.
Anyway, apparently these things happen every so often. So there's someone somewhere in the world who's like, Lou, it's just a bolide. I look at that every day. I look at those every night. Yeah. I'm like, all right, well, fine. I haven't seen that.
What is it called? A bolide?
Bolide. Bolide? Bolide?
Oh.
I don't know.
Okay.
How do you want to pronounce that? Bolide.
Yeah. Bolide?
Yeah. All right.
Sure.
Well, that's it. We're done. We have it. That's the news for today.